we're at the parking lot at PetSmart now. Now, you might think, why are we at PetSmart? We're getting a fish, a glowfish. Boom, there it is. It's how goldfish. Time to go Tetra. So now this is gas. These are all dead. Really cool. You can see their gills. Now these guys have one gill. So let's head out. We're at the car now. We're heading to the car. We have our fish now, and they're big, they're huge. I mean, they're huge. This is, now you already have another glowfish. This is our third glowfish. These are our thirds. We have a glow beta. We did not make a video of this guy. We did not make a video of him, of getting this guy. I'm putting him in. And I'm about to let go.
Go easy.
So we have a fish acclimated now. Now you haven't seen the color. That's them. So these two guys, they're doing great now. So these two guys, this guy isn't very prey on the face, but they're big. The beta is larger than them. So these guys are the search, and if you look at them right there, the face part is smaller. It's small on the camera, but it's the end now. Subscribe.